Hey there, my friends. Greg here. Hey, first of all, I want to let you know that you are not wasting your time being here. There is a lot of training that's out there on the internet, and whether it's about making money online, affiliate marketing, network marketing, if you've been around the online space for any amount of time, you've probably wasted a lot of time and maybe even money, maybe even large chunks of money in order to get those trainings. Look, I have been there and I have done it too. But what I can tell you is if you go through this training, I guarantee you will see results. If you focus in on this training right here, I'll walk you step by step to get your very own complete business set up. The training's 100% free. This will be a valuable asset that you are going to create that will help you in not only starting your own business, but it will help you to attract leads. It will help you to grow your list, which is where the money is. And that will lead to you generating commissions daily. It's time for you to start making money online, and I'm excited for you to get started. I'll see you in the next film.